You may have seen this new Google Ads Advertiser Verification popping up in different places in your Google Ads account. So I wanted to make this video just kind of explain what this is all about and help shed some light on how you can get this set up for yourself such that you're verified and can run ads and everything. So essentially, they being Google Ads, has implemented this new advertiser verification process. It's kind of similar to what Facebook has done, where on Facebook, you can go to a Facebook page and look at the ads for that page and see who's advertising. You can basically see who's running what ads. And Google's trying to do something similar. So it's giving us this recommendation, like if you're in all campaigns, you go to recommendations, it's probably going to have this complete advertiser verification option here. And then it says it takes about 30 minutes and takes a few days to get your decision back. And you can just click here to get started. Once you've done that, it's going to allow you to display logos on your ads and some different things like that. Now, if you go over to a campaign and you click on ads and assets, go over to assets, you can see we've got like some structured snippet extensions here that are showing up on the ads, and they're all getting impressions and clicks and everything. But if we wanted to come in here and add these new options like business logo and business name, I believe even, if you try to add one of these, it's going to say you need to complete the verification, the advertiser verification first, before you're allowed to use these brand assets, if you will. Essentially, assets that are related to your brand, like your logo, your business name, all that good stuff. It seems Google Ads is doing this in part to keep track of who owns what account. And so you have to submit some different information about who you are, what you're doing, who's paying for the ads, things like that. And once you go through the advertiser verification process, you'll see a confirmation, something like this. It says you're now verified, blah, 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 blah. You told us about your business. You verified your identity and your business operations. So those are essentially the three things that it's going to want to know about. And it's sometimes going to vary from niche to niche and from business to business what they actually want from you. But you can go back and forth with the Google Ads support team after you fill this out. They'll probably send you an email and say, hey, we need this, this, and this, and give them all the documentation they need. You'll be able to get verified. One thing I will say, though, is if you go and start this process to verify, to become a verified advertiser on Google Ads, and you're not able to complete the process, they'll actually suspend your ads. So that happened with this account here, where the ads just stopped running because the business was having a hard time getting the advertiser verification completed. Google Ads wanted some specific information, and it was hard to understand exactly what they wanted. So we finally got that information over to them. And then once the advertiser verification was complete, we got this notification here saying you're golden, and the ads started running again. So it is important to note that before you jump into actually starting the Google Ads advertiser verification process, you want to make sure that you can actually complete it, or it may prevent your ads from running if you aren't able to get it completed. And in some instances, we've been seeing where Google Ads is actually just requiring, for whatever reason, some businesses to do the Google Ads advertiser verification process just in order to continue running ads. So I've seen that happen as well, where somebody's running ads. In fact, I think that happened with this very account, where we were running ads for a while with this client and everything was going smooth, and then Google Ads throws us an email saying, hey, you got to complete this advertiser verification. You got 30 days to do it. And we were trying to get it done, and we didn't get it done properly in time, so they paused the ads, and now we've got it back up and running again. So I think that's worth noting that there is some complications with ads being shut off if this advertiser verification is not completed properly. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of the Google Ads advertiser verification or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.